between the words between and among. We use between to talk about two things or people. For example, I can't choose between Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Coca-Cola and Pepsi are two things, and that's why I use between. The second situation in which we use between is when we talk about more than two things, which means 3, 4, or 5, but these things are distinct. So, for example, I can't choose between ice cream, cake, and cupcake. Ice cream, cake, and cupcake are three things, but they are different objects, and that's why I use between. We use among when we talk about more than two things or people, but these things or people, they belong in one group. The example is, who is the best among the students? When I say students, I mean a group of people, and they belong in one group, which is students. And that's why I use among. Thank you very much for watching the video.